it was completely impossible to get inside here.
Yeah.
Today on the 26th of April 2025 we have Bockarpsvägen 1 here. It's also in Mjölby, Östergötland, Sweden. Vestig's 8 persons.
Västra Götaland.
Västra Götaland, yeah. The Vestig's 8 persons. Actually the diagrams is about in 1988, according to the ones here. It's pretty
Yeah,
1988 probably.
Yeah, 89.
89. It's in Bruce K 8251 Avenue. But how do you know it's 89?
Yeah, it says 89, not 88 in the class.
Ah. Alright. That's good. I love the sunset movie.
Same here. These documents not maintained by nurses.
It's not too slow.
Yeah.
I thought it was impossible.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you for watching. We said we almost would take it, but it is.
Yeah. That's